They thought I was wasting time, collecting bones from the village butchery and drying them under the sun like some old-fashioned herbalist. Some farmers even laughed at me. "You're feeding your hens bones? What are you trying to make? Cannibal chickens?" But they stopped laughing when my hens started laying more eggs than theirs. While their birds struggled with soft shells, broken eggs, and poor laying consistency, mine were giving me strong, thick-shelled eggs day after day. What was the difference? A simple powder they were throwing away: bone meal. Bone meal, when used properly, is one of the most powerful tools a poultry farmer can use to improve egg production. It is not a chemical, not a drug, and not some imported feed additive. It is a locally available, nutrient-dense, highly effective natural feed supplement made from animal or fish bones. For decades, big commercial farms have been using it under names like meat and bone meal or fish meal. But for village farmers and small-scale poultry keepers, this traditional waste product is slowly becoming the secret weapon to beat rising feed costs and poor laying performance. If you're with me, hit that like button. Let me know where you're watching from in the comments below. And if this video ends up bringing you value, consider subscribing to stay connected. Let us start from the basics. Bone meal is simply bones, usually from animals like cattle, goats, chickens, or fish, that have been cleaned, boiled, dried, and ground into fine powder. It contains two of the most important minerals for laying hens: calcium and phosphorus. Without these minerals, your birds cannot form strong eggshells or maintain healthy reproductive cycles. Calcium is the main component of the eggshell, but phosphorus is the mineral that helps the body absorb and utilize calcium properly. If your birds have enough calcium but not enough phosphorus, they may still produce weak, thin shells or even lay shell-less eggs. This is one of the most common but least understood problems in backyard flocks. Most farmers already know to give their birds oyster shells or limestone for calcium. That is good, but it is not enough. The calcium needs phosphorus to be used by the body, and that is where bone meal comes in. It provides both calcium and phosphorus in the right ratio and in a form that birds can easily absorb. Bone meal also contains some protein, especially if it is made from meat and bone scraps. This protein can help boost overall bird health, improve muscle tone, and support hormonal function, especially during laying periods. Now, let us look at what the science says. A study done using hyaline brown layers found that birds fed with 3% fish bone meal in their diet showed clear improvements in egg production. The yolks were heavier, the shells were thicker, and the birds themselves had stronger immunity. Researchers noticed improved gut structure too. The villi in the intestines were longer, meaning better absorption of nutrients. That translates to better feed efficiency and healthier birds. Another observation came from small farms in Ghana, where farmers replaced part of their commercial protein and mineral mix with homemade meat and bone meal. Within weeks, their birds were laying more consistently, and feed costs went down. That is not just science, it is a real-world solution, proven by practical results. If you want to try this for your flock, you do not need expensive equipment. Start by collecting fresh, clean bones from a trusted source. Avoid bones that are rotten, covered in fat, or from diseased animals. Boil them for about 30 minutes to remove fat, soften the material, and kill any harmful bacteria. Then dry them under the sun or in an oven until they are completely dry and brittle. Once dry, crush or grind them into a fine powder. You can use a pestle and mortar for small batches or a hammer mill if you are doing it on a larger scale. Once the powder is ready, you can add it directly into your feed.
More often, your flock might be getting sick, your hens might be producing less eggs, and your birds might not be growing faster as you'll desire. Worry not, we have created an ebook with more than 49 natural organic herbs that will ensure a faster growth for your birds, ensure that your hens lay more eggs, and ensure that your birds have an enhanced health through treating diseases and pest eradication. These herbs ranges from simple and available products such as garlic and ginger to moringa, mango leaves, and pawpaw. This ebook explains each natural product or herb using a very simple layout. Background information, biochemical composition, benefits for the poultry birds, preparation, and finally inclusion levels or dosages. So you'll be able to apply the information even if you're a beginner farmer. On top of that, you will get free consultations to help you achieve your desired goals. Get the ebook using the link in the description of this video or scan the QR code on the screen right now. Are you ready to make more money farming poultry organically?
Start with 1 kilogram of bone meal per 100 kilograms of feed. If your birds respond well, you can increase the amount up to 3 kilograms per 100 kilograms of feed. Never exceed 5 kilograms per 100 kilograms because too much phosphorus can cause problems in calcium balance and kidney health. Make sure the rest of your feed is balanced too. Bone meal should be part of a complete ration that includes energy sources like maize or sorghum, protein sources like soybean meal or sunflower seed cake, and additives like salt, vitamins, and probiotics if available. Adding garlic powder at 1 gram per bird per day can further enhance immunity and gut health, especially when combined with bone meal and clean water. One trick that many successful farmers use is to mix their bone meal with crushed oyster shells and a bit of wood ash. The oyster shells boost calcium, the bone meal gives phosphorus and some protein, and the wood ash provides trace minerals like potassium and magnesium. This mix helps the birds build stronger shells and keep their bones healthy, especially during peak laying. Some farmers worry about diseases in animal-based products. That is a valid concern. To make sure your bone meal is safe, always boil the bones before drying and grinding. This kills most bacteria and parasites. Also, store your finished powder in a clean, airtight container away from moisture, rodents, and flies. Do not use bones from animals that died of unknown causes or were treated with strong drugs before slaughter. If you follow these hygiene steps, bone meal is very safe. I once worked with a group of women farmers in Western Kenya who were struggling with poor egg production. They were buying expensive mineral premixes that did not always give results. After a short training, they started making their own bone meal from fish bones collected at the lakeside. Within 2 months, their average egg production jumped from 11 eggs per week per hen to over 16. The yolks were brighter, the shells were stronger, and the feed costs dropped by almost 15%. They no longer depended on feed shops for everything. They were producing their own mineral mix from what others considered waste. Even large farms in parts of Asia are now blending fish bone meal into their layer rations to reduce dependency on imported dicalcium phosphate. This not only saves money but also makes feed formulation more sustainable and localized. Remember that bone meal works best when paired with good management. Ensure your birds get at least 16 hours of light per day during laying. Keep their environment clean and dry. Provide constant access to clean water and reduce stress by avoiding overcrowding and loud noises. Nutrition is only one piece of the puzzle. Management completes it. Let me leave you with a powerful reminder. Feeding your birds right is not about giving them more. It is about giving them exactly what they need, in the right form at the right time. Bone meal may not look like much. It is just a dusty powder made from something most people throw away. But inside that powder are the minerals and proteins that your birds need to reach their full potential. So next time you see bones being discarded at the butchery or fish market, do not walk away. Pick them up. Clean them, boil them, dry them, grind them, and give your hens the minerals they need to turn into egg-laying champions. Do not wait for a crisis or rely only on commercial feed. Take control of your flock's nutrition and see the results for yourself. This is not magic. It is simple, practical poultry science, tested by researchers, proven by farmers, and perfected by nature. The power to increase your egg production is already in your hands, maybe even in your kitchen or backyard. Use it, teach others, and keep those eggs coming. Don't forget to download your copy of the Poultry Farming Organic ebook using the link in the description of this video or scan the QR code on your screen right now. See you there.